Hi, everybody. Yeah, I just saw. Hello. Thank you in particular for joining. Yes, you know who you are. You're awesome. And thank you for joining. Anyway, I hope we're live. And I guess now we're live on Bookface and Gram of the Insta as well. Awesome. Hi. Oh, there we go. I am on my...
Is one live?
Yeah, one is live. My sister can't find the link.
I think it's 3 live. 3 are live.
We're
3 live.
three live, 5. Anyway, guys, let us know. Normal sound check. I guess especially Lynn, if you're watching, because you always do this and it's very sweet of you. Letting us know how it is in Gorenhaven and making me jealous as
Lynn Goldsmith.
you know what. Anyway, once we find out that the sound is okay, we will start avec la musique. That's how the French say it.
You know what they really have in France? Like lots of things they have in France. French people. No way. And they all speak French for a lot of them. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Well, turns out it's very wet, but we are sounding good.
Hey Beth, hey Lynn, awesome. Glad that the sound is good. Thank you for that little check. 11 people watching. Right, last week I'm joined again by Louis and Le Joao. Joao will say hi in a minute once he's finished loading the score. We got loads of people commented on the three of us singing together, so we've got a program with a few songs avec le trois. Okay, I'm going to stop speaking in faux French now. With the three of us, and including some Mika songs, some like traditional, some classical songs from Dvorak, and yeah, so we've got a really good program. I mean, as always, of course. And we are going to start with Schnibbly Wibbly. Here it is.
Oh, that's a nice song.
It is a good song, isn't it? No. Here is Widmung, and we're going to go straight into Widmung to Hör ich das Liedchen klinge, which is another Schumann song from Winterreise. So, boys, are y'all ready?
Well, if just warn that if suddenly you just stay out of picture and sound, it's my fault.
Oh, yeah, true. So Joao is obviously our tech guy, so if something happens, then
My computer is just serving for scores and
no worries.
serving scores.
Are you okay to sorry, microphone, to scroll up?
Ja.
Ja?
Ja, het gaat onderhands worden.
Ja?
Ja,
Is dat beter?
ja,
Ik weet, wat is beter?
het is goed.
Oké, goed. Ja, oké. Guys, Widmung and Hör ich das Liedchen klinge. Thank you all for joining. Make sure you will send to somebody to watch, and let's get the numbers up this week. Thank you very much. Here we go. Du meine Seele, du mein Herz, du meine Fahne, du mein Schmerz, du meine Welt, in der ich lebe, mein Himmel, du darein ich schwebe, o du mein Grab, in das hinab ich ewig meinem Kummer gab. Du bist die Ruhe, du bist der Frieden, du bist vom Himmel mir beschieden.
Dass du mich liebst, macht mich mir wert.
Dein Blick
hat mich vor mir verklärt.
Du hebst mich liebend über mich, mein guter Geist, mein besseres Ich. Du meine Seele, du mein Herz, du meine Wonne, du mein Schmerz, du meine Welt, in der ich lebe, mein Himmel, du, dahin ich schwebe, mein guter Geist, mein besseres Ich. Hör ich das Liedchen klingen, das einst die Liebste sang, so will mir die Brust zerspringen von wildem Schmerzendrang. Es treibt mich ein dunkles Sehnen hinauf zur Waldeshöhe. Dort löst sich auf in Tränen mein übergroßes Weh. Hör ich das Liedchen klingen, das einst die Liebste sang, so will mir die Brust zerspringen von wildem Schmerzendrang. Es treibt mich ein dunkles Sehnen hinauf zur Waldeshöhe. Dort löst sich auf in Tränen mein übergroßes Weh. There we go. Thank you, boys. There we go. That was two absolutely beautiful German songs. I hope you're all still online.
By who were they written?
They were both written by Schumann,
Robert Schumann.
and that was Widmung, dedication an Hör ich das Liedchen klingen. Hear I the song. Hoe zeg je dat in het Engels?
When I hear the song.
When I hear the song. There we go. Hello, William. Hello, Alyssa. Hello, Seth. Hi, Charlotte. Hello, everybody there. You guys can come straight back and sing into the microphone because there's a very special day.
Hop, hop.
So everybody at home can also sing along for Charlotte. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlotte. Happy birthday to you. Lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria. Happy birthday, Charlotte. Lots of love.
Haps, haps, Charlotte.
I hope you have a lovely year. That's Hidda's now favorite phrase to say everything.
Haps, haps.
Anyway, thank you everybody for joining. Oh man, so many songs to do. Right, where do we go from here? I think we can. No, let's space it out a little bit. I want to do the Mika song straight away, but no, I know. I'm just getting excited because I want to.
I need to worry.
I want to sing with y'all.
My voice needs rest.
Okay, so now I also quite often get the comment that I don't do enough of my own songs. So today I'm gonna actually do some of my own songs. And this first one is Sunflowers, Girasoles. It's a Spanish song. It's a song I wrote to be sung for bachata. And it's about how it's a really nice song, if I say so myself. It's one of the ones I'm the most proud of. So, and this is, I think, the first time Joao ever heard me sing one of my songs, wasn't it? At the church. Because I did a quick recording of it the very first time we met each other. So here we go. This was actually quite a nice song. There's the story behind this one, because I went to a dancing festival in Marseille, and had this amazing dance with this guy, and then I came back, and I had written like one or two things for the verses, and it really fitting like how I felt about dancing and just how gorgeous and nice it was, and then I couldn't think of something for the chorus. And then this one time I was biking out in The Hague, and I saw this guy dressed really formally in a suit, and he had a bouquet of sunflowers that he was taking somewhere. And I got straight home and I was like, that's what it's about. It's about sunflowers, and it's like a Dutch song about dancing bachata, and yeah, that's the story behind this one. Wrong key, sorry. Cuando crecemos, hay cosas que nos duelen y dan dolor. Cuando crecemos, sufrimos por la falta del amor que necesitamos recibir. Y tarda tiempo en decir, tengo cicatrices que contigo puedo surcir. Cuando bailamos. Olvido todo el resto alrededor, me quedo contigo. Con música en todo resplandor, todo se para de existir. Contigo me siento difundir. La sala se alumbra y nos ven escapar. Girasoles giran para ver la luz. Yo cuando bailo te veo. Voy girando y dándote vueltas que nos quitan la soledad. Dentro de tus ojos veo afirmación. Me aceptas y yo te acepto a ti. Girasoles giran para ver su luz mientras la mía está aquí. Entrelazados dibujamos movimientos bien sensuales, vamos cosiendo. Lugares por años me dolieron, suelta la pena que llevaba. Te agradezco por cada vez me bailabas y nunca lo olvido. Girasoles giran para ver la luz. Yo cuando bailo te veo. Voy girando y dándote vueltas que nos quitan la soledad. Dentro de tus ojos veo afirmación. Me aceptas y yo te acepto a ti. Girasoles giran para ver su luz mientras la mía está aquí. Girasoles giran para ver la luz. Yo cuando bailo te veo. Voy girando y dándote vueltas que nos quitan la soledad. Y dentro de tus ojos veo afirmación. Me aceptas y yo te acepto a ti. Girasoles giran para ver su luz mientras la mía está aquí. Girasoles giran para ver la luz. Yo cuando bailo te veo. Voy girando y dándote vueltas que nos quitan la soledad. Dentro de tus ojos veo afirmación. Tú me aceptas y yo te acepto a ti. Girasoles giran para ver su luz mientras la mía está aquí. Thank you.
I know this one.
You know this one. You've heard it before, probably.
Yeah, many times. Girasol.
Girasol, that's what it's called. I'm loving that my family is having a chat in the middle of the chat. Keep going, guys. It's great. It's fantastic. I'm appreciating the commentary. And hi, I believe that's Erin. Hi, Bertie. Oh, thank you, babe.
Seems like Noodles86 is speaking to him or herself.
Yeah, Noodles is my sister-in-law's account with all three of the children wrestling over the phone.
That explains a lot.
What is going on?
What is
Anyway, awesome that you guys are all here.
But I'm just 21 and then
Yeah,
three
someone-
messages after, but mom, you're 34.
Okay, we're gonna stay in a dancing mood. And you guys all know this one, so you all have to sing along.
Can you just say that we are having slow internet connection today?
Right, it's a shame that we have quite a slow internet connection today. So, oh, that's lovely, Lynn. Rainbow guides in Mexico are called sunflowers. Oh, that's really nice. I had no idea about that. Yeah, we're having some problems with the internet. So if it dips or something, that's just unfortunately how it is today. Stay with us and make sure you all invite somebody. I want to see that number like double over the next 5 minutes. So all of you can go and invite one person to watch right now.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, hit his.
In honor of Charlotte's birthday, invite someone who you'd like to eat noodles with.
Oh my god. Is
There we.
this really happening?
For sure. Believe it, babe.
We get it almost every night. When that moon is big and bright, it's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Everybody here is out of sight. They don't bark and they don't bite. They keep things loose, they keep it tight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. 2, 3. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's falling warm and right. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. We like our fun and we never fight. You can dance and stay uptight. It's a supernatural delight. Everybody was dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and right. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight, everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight, everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. You all know this, you have to sing. Kiss me out of the bitter barley nightly, beside the green, green grass. Swing, swing, swing the spinning step. You'll wear the shoes and I will wear that dress. So kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Leave me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band to make the fireflies dance, a silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. Kiss me down by the broken tree house. Swing me up on its hanging tire. Bring your flowered hat. We'll take the trail marked on your father's map. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Leave me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band to make the fireflies dance, a silver moon sparkling. Kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Leave me up on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand. That was the wrong text. We'll take the trail marked on your father's trap. Oops, kiss me out on the milky twilight. Leave me up on the open floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band to make the fireflies dance, a silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. Ik heel diep in jouw ogen, bespeurde iets in je ziel. Het leek of ik aangezogen werd, of ik in een diepte viel. Jij vertelde mij van twijfels, jij vertelde van verdriet, van onmacht en onzekerheid, als een ster die van kleur verschiet. Zolang als de zon ons goud omlijnt, zolang als de aarde draait, zolang als de wind op golven draait, zolang eindigt niet zo gauw. Zolang hou ik van jou. Laat je ogen zich nu sluiten, dan zie je wat ik voel. Zo kan ik me uiten door te zingen wat ik bedoel. Telkens als ik iets wil zeggen. Okay, we have to be back streaming now because I can't play it after this.
Ja, dat is dus.
Okay, we are back. Okay, guys, sorry about that. We
Could be different Bachs. Because there's three of us.
we are back, guys. Let us know if we are back. Oh man, we lost all our viewers.
Man.
Okay, and anyone who's watching on Instagram, we're just having problems with buffering. But hey, you got a little schnibbly schnibble of watching me and Wids play Clair de Lune. What else can we play?
You can play anything and I can improvise above it.
We should be back.
Oh, really? Okay.
Okay.
Well,
Piano and F.
D flat. D flat.
Dit is D flat, Piemel.
Alsof je me net piemel op YouTube.
Ja, ze begrijpen het toch niet. Dat die minors.
Ja, bro. Dat is wel geheime informatie, hè? Wat zei je nu?
Ik dacht dat je die minor zei. Dat
Oh,
dat begreep ik.
ik hoorde wel iets anders. Hier is het nog aan het bufferen, Joel. Oh,
it is slow as hell, but it's streaming.
Okay, it is slow, but it's streaming.
So, for you that are watching after today, it should be okay.
Oh, okay, yeah,
Ah, I see. Okay. Great.
right,
At least for some parts.
yeah.
Not the ones we were completely off, I think.
No, okay. Well, yeah, we're just gonna go. Shut up, guys.
No, I start with an F.
Just gonna go for it.
Yeah, right?
Yo, Joel, man.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm super sleepy and I'm grumpy now that the connection is not so good. This is from a film. Go and find out which film it's from. Homework. No. This is Dvorak, the 8th or 9th Symphony from the New World. And I did a little arrangement of it because you guys loved what we did with the three of us last week so much. And so now we're gonna just sing it. Anyway, you guys,
You have to invite someone from the new world.
you have to exactly. You have to invite somebody else from the New World, and in the comments, tell us where your favorite place was in the New World.
Yeah.
So, like, we just lost all of our viewers because of the diffs. You can help us get it back.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. friends gathered there, all the friends I knew. Going home, going home. I am going home. Wide awake with a smile. I am going home. I am going home. Oh, that was so nice.
Is that it?
Yeah, let's, what else do we have?
Happy Wendy engine over my shouldering.
Oh no, we can do those. We can do those ones in a little bit. Anyway, it's still just stopping and starting. I wonder if it's worth turning off Facebook, Facebook and Instagram. But I guess that's where people are watching, right?
I can turn off Facebook. Instagram, I think it's using your data. So
Oh,
at least it didn't stop before.
right. Yeah. I don't know. I guess let's just keep going, and hopefully, you know,
There's not.
maybe another piece of equipment to buy is like a good router for here.
Yeah, it would be nice to have a cable connection.
Yeah. Well, I hope. Yeah, it keeps starting with the buffering. Aw. Yeah, I want you guys to be able to listen as well. I'm not sure what the option is really. We haven't had this problem before, have we? Even last week when we were streaming on all three platforms. So I guess let's just keep going and hopefully the rewatch that people, I mean, like, keep watching now, please don't turn off. But that the sound quality will be better on the YouTube thing tomorrow. Because when it's dropped out before, we've never lost more than like a second worth of data on the concert. So I guess we just need to keep doing that. Guys, stay tuned in. And yeah, we'll just keep doing it. We're going to go to Spain for Corre Corazón, which means run heart. And it's a really lovely song about saying when there's nobody there with you, or when after a relationship's broken up, how your heart was the one, like the singer's heart was the quicker one of the two, and how you tried everything, but that was absolutely never came to fruition. I still need to work out what key to do it in. Yeah. Me mires diferente, me abrazas y no siento tu calor. Te digo lo que siento, me interrumpes y terminas la oración. Siempre tienes la razón. Tú libreto de siempre tan predecible. Tú ya me lo sé. Así que corre, 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 corazón. De los dos tú siempre fuiste el más veloz. Toma todo lo que quieras, pero vete ya. Que mis lágrimas jamás te voy a dar. Así que corre como siempre, no mires atrás. Lo has hecho ya y la verdad me da igual. Ya viví esta escena y con mucha pena te digo no, conmigo no. Di lo que podía, pero a media puerta se quedó mi amor. Tu libreto de siempre tan repetido ya no te queda bien, así que corre, 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 corazón. De los dos, tú siempre fuiste el más veloz. Toma todo lo que quieras, pero vete ya. Que te me libras jamás te voy a dar. Han sido tantas despedidas que en verdad dedicarte un verso más está de más. Así que corre como siempre, que no iré detrás. Lo has hecho ya y la verdad me da igual. Lo has hecho ya y la verdad me da igual. Lo has hecho ya, pero al final me da igual. Lo has hecho ya, pero al final me da igual. Thank you. Oh, it's just a shame. This is a man. The quality looks really bad here.
No, I'm just texting people saying that.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm a little bit schnibbly. Yeah, that's good advice from Joao. William, thank you very much, my man. That's very sweet of you. Let's see, what else did we have? Now, if Sarah is there, let it be known in the comments. No, but... well, the internet is just not liking this. Okay, well, guys, make sure you give a donation so that, as well as all the microphones that we're going to try and buy, that we can actually buy a router, so that we can get a better connection. But it's never been this bad before. I don't know why it's so.
Or more microphones and speakers so we can blast the sound.
Oh yes, I think that's a better.
That would be fantastic.
That's the best idea.
Then we're not dependent on the internet.
Exactly.
Just go outside and just blow people's ears.
Go to Scheveningen.
Try to get it to the Britain continent.
That would be great. Just for people watching, I mean, I'm just going to keep going. I know I keep saying that. Coming up, there is a special week called Speak Cornish Week. And so in about a week or 2 or 3 or 4, I'm not exactly sure when it is, but we'll have a program full of Cornish stuff with the 3 of us singing as well in some Cornish, but basically just all songs either from Cornwall or in Cornish. So you all have that to look forward to, just a purely Cornish thing. And yeah, now we're going to do, I'm going to do You Raise Me Up. So hopefully this, yeah.
Are you singing high D flats again?
No.
Sorry, effort.
Let's see how. How high can I do it?
Yeah, I think we can play that game.
Yeah. Okay. I'll do a top. I'll do a top C today. Okay. If you guys weren't watching last week, we did a Colors of the Wind, and I did this like. I'm really happy with it. I've watched it so often from last week. Have you ever loved crap? But then in like a real voice, and oh man, it was so good. If I say so myself, like I've never sung that high before. So now let's. What key do I need to be in? Okay. Okay, so I will be in Hold on, wait. Oh no, what key was it? Ah. Yeah. Okay, G going to A flat major, just in case I forget, guys. Okay.
If you forget, you have to scream on
If
the
if I have to scream.
G flat.
G A flat, right? Yeah. When I am down and all my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burden be, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up Each restless heart beats so imperfectly. But when you come and I am filled with wonder, sometimes I think I glimpse eternity. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up so high to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to more than I can be. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. Yeah, it's a very squeaky chair that I'm on today.
Was it a C?
It was a C. Aaron, yay, top C. Yeah, I'm so happy. Oh man, it's a part of my voice I never really went into before. You know, it always feels like screaming, and the more I use it, the more it actually feels like singing. No.
Why don't you go low sometime as well?
Why don't I? I do occasionally. Not in that song. When I am down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burden me. I don't know why there's an accent when I do it this low. Then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. Yeah, that's also not the worst thing in the world. So, you know.
That would be Tom Jones singing that song.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah.
But who has a nice deep voice? What is it?
Our last two songs.
Yeah, you also do them now?
Yeah. Maybe not. I'll do one or two more songs. We could do it now and then finish with them as well.
As you prefer.
I'm okay either way.
Yeah. Let's do this one.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but let's do it. Finish my article.
Over my shoulder. So this is a really nice Mika song. And you guys should definitely go check him out, especially his first album.
Mika. I think it's pronounced Micah, actually.
Yeah.
Micah?
Absolutely not as it pronounced Micah.
Micah?
Micah.
Anyway, he does either really sad songs or really happy songs. There's not much in between. And this is one of the sad songs, of course.
I'm Benjamin. I sing sad songs.
That's not always true. Just mainly. I could do with a bit of water after that.
The song is the song of my heart.
You guys are ridiculous.
Is that the top fee?
F8. No, it's just 7.
Not enough keys.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, okay, right. Here we are, Over My Shoulder by Mika. So because of the technological stuff, I've lost quite a lot of focus. So anyway, I sing a low G in this one.
Okay.
I mean, not that I can sing it now after having sung so high.
Well, that would be your problem. You can just like raise your hand and then we sing the G for you.
Running up. Yeah. Fantastic. Anyway, here is Mika, Over My Shoulder.
Where is it?
Over my shoulder, running away, feels like I'm falling, losing my way. Cold, drunk, cold, I'm falling far out of sight. Cold, drunk, cold and drunk, over my shoulder, running away. Feels like I'm falling, losing my way. Cold, drunk, cold and drunk, cold fog of my daytime, torture my night. Feels like I'm falling far out of sight. Cold, drunk, cold and Awesome.
A long page.
That was another Zeker and,
Yeah, we repeated it
and,
like
and long
10
page.
times.
Like,
Repeat.
Repeat.
Repote.
Repeat it.
anyway, oh yeah, thank you. Aw, guy, you guys are so lovely. Oh, that's really nice. We've had some lovely comments from Lynn, Erin, and Beth. Oh, wow, that was really intense and emotional. Thank you guys for joining me on that. This should be another one that we record for the album. Okay, so I guess now's the time to come out and say it.
Yeah. Dude.
Help.
Are you coming out now?
Filling me. Yeah, I'm actually coming out. Not many of you know this. Wait, mag ik een kopje thee, alsjeblieft? So, here we go. Right. As of a few weeks ago, obviously Corona happened. I lost all my work this year. I've lost up to now, because I've also had work cancelled in 2021 and 2022. I've lost 20,000 euros and counting worth of work. And the flip side of that, financial stability, is that I have lots of time, which means that I could do these awesome concerts and share them with you guys. Which has, for real, been like the high point of Corona. Because, sorry, just breaking the piano here.
And that's saying something. You know?
There were so many good things about Corona. No,
Yeah. If I had to choose one good thing about Corona.
if I had to choose one good thing about Corona, it would be these concerts have been awesome. And especially as of last week, how people's reaction to Widmung, and a lot of people telling us to record it. And I heard from literally more than 10 people saying, if that was like, you should record it. If that was online, I would listen to it all the time. If it was on Spotify, I would listen to it. So the plan is to go with these two lads into a recording studio, I guess in around 2 months' time, with some of these songs like the ones that we've just done now, with Widmung, with some of the German ones, and generally do classical stuff, and maybe some of this other stuff like this Mika song, and have 1 or 2 songs a bit more modern, but just have the three of us singing together. So that's coming, and that's also another reason why y'all should donate, because going into a recording studio isn't free. But that's something, that I decided that before the end of the year, I want to bring out 3 albums, and I'm not going to tell you what they are because I want to keep you on your toes. But this is one of them with Jorginho on Wids doing the more classical stuff. So I'm really looking forward to that, and I'm thankful to have these concerts because it means that my confidence has come back a lot. So thank all of you all for making that possible and giving me really nice feedback and just generally being lovely and cute and really sweet. Yeah, I'm not quite. Do you want to say something? Wids would like to say something.
Motivating people to donate some money. If you donate enough money, you get to choose the name of the album.
That
That's
I mean,
confirmed. Benjamin didn't want to tell you, but it's true.
Well, but people will have to try and donate to see how much is enough.
exactly. It'll be like those competitions in Civilization, you know, like you have
That
to send
gives them knowledge.
the person that gives the most money.
The name of the album.
Gets to choose the name of the album. Anyway, guys, let us know. You guys know, ondertussen, you guys know what songs I can sing. If there's any songs that you want me to specifically do, write it down in the comments. Otherwise, I'm just gonna keep schnibbling away.
Should we do one of those sales where you have a guy speaking really fast?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we should do one of those things.
Okay.
Probably,
Do
not sure.
does one of you or both of you want to sing When You Say Nothing at All?
When you say nothing at all.
Yeah, exactly. Do you want to join, Joel?
I don't really remember that.
Welcome, Joao, to the stage.
Johnny.
Sorry?
Nothing.
Yeah, that's also what I just thought. I guess. Ja, en gezien
Seeing that.
regels en dergelijke.
I'm so confused.
Dat hij naast me zit.
Oh,
thing.
Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha.
You first verse, first chorus. We need a different. Do you remember it enough? Shall I do the first verse and you? Okay. What's a good key for you? Okay.
That should be okay.
I just need to text a friend because I sung this at her wedding.
By the way, in the stream, it's only just now finishing our song that we just did.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah,
Okay, it's super far behind.
Beth says that was incredible, so we have like 5 minutes delay. Basically.
Oh, whoa.
But it's all there.
The stream is much better, she's saying as well. Okay, guys, y'all are just 5 minutes behind, so I don't know.
They will know in 5 minutes.
You all know in 5 minutes' time
Yeah.
that you guys
But
are 5
you're
minutes
not live,
behind.
actually.
No, this is just on here because it's taking up bandwidth.
No, but you're not uploading, so
Yeah, but does that not affect it?
you're not uploading. That's the thing.
I don't want you breaking my upload. That's all I can say.
Yeah, but why would me?
You're not.
Be aware
That's the
that it
thing.
modulates, by the way, this
Ye-
use to nothing at all.
Yeah, just but it modulates up and then goes back down.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
That bridge and then
yeah,
it comes back.
yeah, exactly. So you just do the melody the whole time, okay?
Thank you. Taking in account the amount of times we.
Yeah, it's so much
rehearse.
better, no buffering, that I can listen to this great music.
Yeah.
Thank you, William. That's very cute of you.
Don't scream on people.
Oh, sorry. So for anybody who's watching on microphones, we're actually going to do ASMR.
That's soups and pro.
Thank you everybody for watching.
Big. Are we going a bit
Yeah,
off topic
a
here?
little bit off topic. It's fine. We're it's funny. Normally I'm the one saying to you guys, like, rein it in.
Oh, just so you're aware.
It's only 10:30 and Benjamin is all bawdy and stuff.
9:30, dude.
Yeah. That's what
Netherlands. 10:30. Okay. Me first verse, first chorus. You second verse, second chorus. Bridge, last chorus together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Catch me if I fall.
This guy. Oh man. Oh, I forgot to say, this is for Beth. It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Try as I may, I could never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. I'm gonna sing these two lines. I'll explain later, okay?
And long I can hear people talking out loud. But when you hold me near, you drown out the crowd.
Drown out the crowd. Oxford and Cambridge could never define. Hold on, okay.
What's
Cambridge and Oxford could never define
what's being said between
your
heart and mine? The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best. You say it best. Say it best when you say nothing at all.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall.
You say it best. Say it best.
When you say nothing at all. Guys, show Joãozinho some love in the comments. Hey, Julia. Hola, hola, hola. ¿Qué canción quieres? Dime cuál canción. Porque esta noche vas a ser la única que me recuesta algo en español.
Song hasn't started yet. Big fat delay. Nice. Well done, boys.
Thanks.
Well done, lads. Thanks. Thanks, bro.
Ages ago, Poi sent me the lyrics for this, and this was one. Oh no, I need to download the lyrics, and the internet isn't working. This is another song that I wrote. Sorry, I'm really close to the microphone. This is another song that I wrote. I'm gonna talk like this now for the rest of the concert. Erin says, "Go do the whole concert in ASMR." Hello and welcome to this I can't even do it. Hello and welcome to this concert. It's really great to have you here. He says that's a point, Georgina.
Nasty. You know, these people here, they have.
Oh yeah, sorry guys. Yeah, okay. On on Instagram and Schnibbly Doop, we have no idea what it is. I'm going to play a song that I haven't played in 10 years. And I'm really anxious to play it because I know I'm going to play the chords wrong.
Dude, you always say that.
William, you're very sweet. Thank you, my man. Say hi to Seth for me, will you? And Alyssa.
You mean Wissa?
I do mean Wissa.
Right.
Widder still calls... Yeah, you can...
Well, this the entire
That's a story, but I want Wids to come and tell it.
Yeah, I think Wissa sounds almost as nice as Alyssa, and I like it.
Yeah. Ha!
Wiss with S.
Okay. Does one of you want to tell a joke? Because I just need to do the...
Didn't prepare a
Last
joke.
time I tried to tell a joke, you stopped me.
Yeah, no, but I won't stop you today.
Well, what's
Don't
the
do
difference between
You sure?
that thing?
Well, okay, yeah, no, I might regret having said that. Okay, so this next song is called The Cornish Miner. And it's a song that I wrote absolutely ages ago, based off of the story that there are one of the biggest Cornish diasporas is in... One of the biggest diasporas of Cornwall is in Australia because of the miners. So everybody left Cornwall, basically. The English took our jobs, we don't really talk about that, but then the Cornish people had to go to other places, so they went to like South Africa, all across Africa, to Canada, to Mexico. There's loads of people in Mexico that still actually speak Cornish, which is like... So, anyway, this is the Cornish miner who goes off to Australia, and, you know, it's Cornwall, it's a Cornish folk song that I wrote, so of course it's really sad. He never comes back. And this has been requested by my parents, like every single week I've been doing it. And last week got requested by Charlie. So here we are. This is The Cornish Miner. The first time it's been played live in, probably about 10 years. By the way, it's on my album, which you can check out on the link underneath on Spotify and Apple Music. That wasn't the right note. Sits all alone with a pasty in hand as he's waiting to travel the world. Nobody knows knows and the future's untold. The spine of this history's unbound. There sits his wife with a child on her knee. She cries, now the day has arrived, and to her he says, Dear Gennes, Carenza, I'll see you again late September. Dear Gennes, Carenza, I'm off to the mines in Munter. When he departs on that soul-searching day, his wife and his job wave goodbye. Stares broken-hearted at land he's been true to, not wishing to turn to the sea. Day passes day, and too soon they arrive the place he must now call his home. But he'll never forget Cornwall, where his heart will forever lie. Diogenes, Carenza, I'll see you again late September. Diogenes, Carenza, I'm safe in the mines in Munter, spending each passing day working hard in the mines. Everything's going to plan, all safe in the mines, but on one fateful day, it's hard to say exactly what happened. The rocks crumbled and cracked, the walls come crashing down, nobody's found in Munter. No one will ever know. No one will ever go. Sitting alone with a pasty in hand, and she's waiting for him to come home. Little boys flown now and grown from the nest, not unlike the older man she once knew. 7 years on, she just cannot believe that he never will return. She waits every day, withered and least waiting to open the door. Diogenes Carenza. In my heart it's always September. Diogenes Carenza. You're safe in the mines in Monta. There we go. The Cornish Miner by Jarls Truly.
I think you should do more slow jazzy stuff. Like you had a little interlude on piano and it was.
Yeah, I heard you go. I heard that you liked that. Oh,
The Wids approves.
the Wids approves. Oh man, that is really takes it out of me doing that song. The Cornish Diogenes Carenza. Do you remember what Carenza is? I think I would have told you. Diogenes is a very formal way of saying goodbye, and Carenza is love. So Diogenes Carenza is by love.
Is due like God?
Yeah, God with you, Diogenes. So God, Diogenes with you.
Carenza.
Carenza, yeah. So there we go. That's the first time that's been heard live in 10 years.
Carenzinho.
Carenzinho. Okay, Julia wants me to do Pero me acuerdo de ti, and she has one for next week, but it's in Portuguese because apparently I'm learning Portuguese, which is true. You have to do something in quarantine, right?
Could be worse.
Você fala português?
Você fala português?
Você é o meu parceiro. Does that make sense? It was one of the songs that they played when the World Cup was in Brazil. That was the song they played all the time. Você é o meu parceiro. Parceiro?
Parceiro?
Well, you don't know better than me.
I don't watch football, so.
Okay, we're going to do a little set, and we're going to do 3 songs, 3 different languages.
Only three different languages.
Shut up, Joel. Joel is unimpressed that it's only 3 languages. We're going to start with Spanish. We're going to do Pero me acuerdo de ti by Christina Aguilera. We're going to do Underneath the Stars by Kate Rusby. And we're going to do a beautiful translation, blah, 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 a beautiful translation by Ans Bouter into Dutch from Yara. Which one was it? Yeah, You Belong to Me, Met me samen bent. No. So here we are, and they're all in A flat. So we're going to have a nice, wholesome key for a while. Maybe A major even. Let's go for a sharp key. What? B flat? B natural. Yeah, okay. Since we're on a high note, we're gonna do. I can't believe I just did that on camera. Okay. Yeah, call and response.
When Will I travel back in time if I
Oh, that would be, yeah.
play the song?
Okay, here we go. Pero me acuerdo de ti, Underneath the Stars, met me samen bent. Samen met me bent? Met me samen bent.
Wat is dat?
我不懂你的意思。No, laat maar.
No swearing.
Ahora que ya mi vida se encuentra normal, que tengo en casa que ensueña con verme llegar. Ahora puedo decir que me encuentro de pie. Ahora que me va muy bien. Ahora que con el tiempo logré superar aquel amor que por poco me llega a matar. Ahora ya no hay más dolor. Ahora al fin vuelvo a ser yo, pero me acuerdo de ti y otra vez pierdo la calma. Pero me acuerdo de ti y se me desgarra el alma. Pero me acuerdo de ti y se borra mi sonrisa. Pero me acuerdo de ti y mi mundo se hace trizas. Ahora que mi futuro comienza a brillar, ahora que ya me ha envuelto la seguridad, ahora ya no hay más dolor. Ahora al fin vuelvo a ser yo, pero me acuerdo de ti, otra vez pierdo la calma. Pero me acuerdo de ti, se me desgarra el alma. Pero me acuerdo de ti, se borra mi sonrisa. Pero me acuerdo de ti, mi mundo se hace trizas. Pero me acuerdo de ti. Pero me acuerdo de ti, mi mundo se hace trizas. Pero me acuerdo de ti. Mi mundo triste. Underneath the stars I'll meet you. Underneath the stars I'll greet you. And there beneath the stars I'll leave you. Before you go off your own free will, go gently. stars you left me, underneath the stars you left me. I wonder if the stars regret me. At least you go of your own free will. Go gently. Here beneath the stars I'm standing. Here beneath the stars not ending. And why on earth am I pretending? I'm here again, the stars befriending. They come and go of their own free will. Go gently underneath. Go gently. Underneath the stars you met me. Underneath the stars you left me. I wonder if the stars regret me. I'm sure they love me if they only met me. They come and go of their own free will. Go gently. Go Als je bij de piramide bent, of een eiland heel ver weg verkent, weet dat dan je ook op dat moment met me samen bent. Op een oude marktplaats in Algiers, op een foto bij de souvenirs. Weet dat als jij daar het leven viert, met me samen bent. Zonder jou zien vol te houden, is het ook zo stil nu daar bij jou. Wil je weg over de oceaan, naar de tropisch natte jungle gaan? Weet dat jij waar je ook heen zult gaan, met me samen bent. is het ook zo stil, nu daar bij jou. Als je bij de piramide bent, of een eiland heel ver weg verkent, weet dat dan je ook op dat moment met me samen bent. See the pyramids along the Nile, see the sunrise from a tropic isle. Just remember, darling, all the while you belong to me. I'll be so alone without you. Is it maybe you'll be lonesome too? Fly the jungle in a silver plane. See the jungle when it's wet with rain. Just remember till you're home again, you belong to me. You belong to me. Three absolutely awesome songs. Pero me acuerdo de ti. Underneath the Stars, Kate Rusby, and also Kate Rusby, You Belong to Me, translated by On Spouter. Whoa, okay, it's ready. It's 10 o'clock here in the Netherlands. So we're going to do a little set. It's unfortunately two pretty sad songs again.
No, one of them is not too sad.
It's pretty sad.
Come on, it says happy in the title.
It says happy in the title, but that's ironic, I think.
It's like a well, let's embrace things.
2 seconds. Anyway, we're going to be going back to Mika. Mika.
Yeah.
So anyway,
Well, sorry.
Wow.
It's a rich area.
We're going to do
Yeah.
over, guys.
Sorry.
We're going to do Over My Shoulder and Happy Ending. So one of those you already heard this evening, aren't you all lucky, with Mika. And now we're going to do Over My Shoulder. And this time I'm actually going to sing it with the right words, because I just read it off of here and I realized it's different for the first verse and the second verse. So,
Classic.
okay. This should work. So we're going to go with Woods and Jorginho, start with Over My Shoulder.
We won't go until we hear the click.
Okay, guys. Oh, I need to do my whole spiel. I haven't done this at all. Sorry, guys. I've been so out of schnibble power tonight. Brain power. Thank you.
It's called brain.
In English,
Yeah, that's
it's
the old joke about you. Oh, sorry.
rude. Anyway, thank you all for joining. Lots of love, especially to William, Seth, and Alyssa. Y'all are awesome for tuning in. Remember, donation links up and down. We are getting more equipment, and we're going to start trying to go into a recording studio at some point. So if you have the means to be generous, then anything is appreciated. Or just for me to pay rent, that also helps in this time. Buy food,
Buy clothing.
buy clothing. Exactly. There's a lot of stuff.
Sometimes it doesn't even work.
Anyway, thanks to Joaquinho for being an awesome sound engineer and singing with us. Thanks to Woodzinho for being awesome, and thanks to Andre for the microphones, and also being awesome. This is the way you left me pretending.
No hope, no love, no glory, no happy ending. This is the way that we love, like it's forever. Then live the rest of our life, but not together.
Wake up in the morning, stumble on my life. Can't get no love without sacrifice. If anything should happen, I guess I wish you well. A little bit of heaven and a little bit of hell. This is the hardest story that I've ever told. The hope of love or glory, happy endings gone forevermore. I feel as if I'm wasted. And I waste it every day.
This is the way you left me, I'm not pretending. No hope, no love, no glory, no happy ending.
This is the way that we love, like it's forever. Then live the rest of our life, but not together. 2 o'clock in the morning and something's on my mind. Can't get no rest, keep walking around. If I pretend that nothing ever went wrong, I could get to my sleep, I could think that we just carried on. This is the hardest story that I've ever told. No hope of love or glory, happy ending gone forevermore. I feel as if I'm wasted. And I waste it every day. And I feel as if I'm wasted.
No happy ending.
And I waste it every day.
But not together.
Little bit of love. Little bit of love. Little bit of love. Love, little bit of love, little bit of love, little bit of love,
Little bit of love, little bit of love, little bit of love.
little bit of love, little bit of love,
Little bit of love, little bit of love, little bit of love,
little bit of love, little bit of love, little bit of love,
little bit of love,
little bit of love, little bit of love, little bit of love, little bit of love. Oh, I feel as if I'm wasted, and I waste it every day. This is the way you left me, I'm not pretending. No hope, no love, no glory, no happy ending. A little bit of love, 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 not pretending. No hope, no love, no glory, no happy ending. That was awesome. Thank you everybody for joining. Have a lovely week. Stay safe. Have a lovely weekend. Yeah. That's it. Thanks for joining. Sorry about the internet quality. Hopefully, YouTube will have saved it a lot on while we were doing it, so there won't be so much of a break. Have a good week. Stay safe. Remember to donate, send some love, subscribe to the channel. Oh, that's the first time I've said that today. Share with a lot of people. Hopefully next week we'll have some better quality.